Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have a plus b equals to 9 and a times of b equals to also 9, and we solve this problem for the values of a and b. So here the very first step we are going to do is, here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2, and now here we just solve these two equations. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we focus on equation number 1, and from equation number 1 we get the value of a. So we have our a is equals to, we move this plus b to the right hand side and it will becomes 9 minus b, and we call this is equation number 3. So here we just use this value of a in the second equation, and we convert our second equation in the variable v, and we easily get the value of b. So that here we substitute this value in 3, and we just write it as, from equation number 2 implies that ab, so we have the value of a is 9 minus b into b equals to 9, and here we multiply this b on both of these terms and it will be written as 9b minus b square equals to 9. And now in the next step we rearrange the terms and we move these two terms to the right hand side, and when we move these two terms to the right hand side it will be written as b square minus 9b plus 9 is equals to 0. So here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So that here we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 9, and c equals to plus 9. And we know that about the quadratic formula, it is b equals to, here we already use the variable a and b, so we write our quadratic formula in the capital A, B and C, so that we have we just write this is our capital A, capital B and capital C. Okay, so in order to distinguish these variables, so that we have minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we have small b equals to minus capital B, and the value of capital B is minus 9, plus minus square root of b square, so b is minus 9 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 9, and this is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. So after this step here we need little bit simplifications, and we have this is minus times of minus becomes plus 9, and plus minus square root of minus 9 square, and our minus 9 square becomes 81 minus 4 9s are 36. So we have this is 36, and this whole divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. So after this step we have little bit simplification, and we write this as 9 plus minus 81 minus 36 becomes 45 square root, and this is divided by 2. So this is the value of b. So here we have we convert this in two cases, and we same find the values of a corresponding to these two values of b. So here first we write the positive value, it is 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2, and in second case we have b is 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. And now here we just copy down our equation number 3, so that here we have from equation number 3. So equation number 3 is written as a equals to 9 minus b. So this is our equation number 3, and now we substitute the value of both values of b here, and we get the corresponding values of a. So that here we first put the value of b here, and we have a equals to this is 9 minus b, and the value of b is 9 plus square root of 45, and this is divided by 2. So this is the value of b. And here we need little bit simplification, and here first we take the LCM of this term, and we have 18 minus 9 plus square root of 45. So that here we get the value of a is equals to 18 minus 9 becomes 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2. So this is the value of a when we have the value of b is this. So similarly, in the parallel case, we put the value of b here, and in second case we have a equals to 9 minus b, and the value of b in this case is 9 minus 45 square root divided by 2. So that here we just put the value of b here, and it will be written as 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. So in the next step here we just take the LCM of this term again, and we know that our LCM is 2, and we have 18 minus 9, and this minus is multiplied by both of these terms, and it will be written as this is our plus 45 square root. Sorry, we have little mistake in here. So when we take the LCM of this term, so we multiply this minus on these terms, so this will becomes also negative. So we have the value of a is 9 minus 45 square root over 2. Similarly, in that case we have the value of a is equals to 18 minus 9 is equals to 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2. So this is the value of a when we have the value of b is this one. Okay, so finally we have two solutions of this problem, and the first solution of this problem is a and b. So the value of a is 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2, and the value of b is 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2. So this is the solution in the first case, and similarly the solution from the second case is the value of ab is equals to 9 plus square root of 45 divided by 2, and the value of b in that case is 9 minus square root of 45 divided by 2. So in this question we have these are the two solutions of this problem, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.